Hi, I'm Andy Jones with Plaid, and today I'm going to show you how to create this great journal using the new Folk Art Mixed Media Soft Gel Acrylics. These paints are incredible. They're a new soft gel formula that come in opaque, transparent, and some great color sprays. Let's go over the supplies you're going to need to create this journal. For this project you will need Mod Podge Matte, Folk Art Mixed Media Paintbrush Set and Medium Foam Applicator, Folk Art Mixed Media Color Sprays, Folk Art Mixed Media Opaque Soft Gel Acrylics, Folk Art Mixed Media Transparent Soft Gel Acrylics, Flat Wood Owl Cutout Shape, and Folk Art Dauber Set. And for a complete supply list and the free downloadable templates, visit plaidonline.com. Alright, let's get started. For the first step in creating our journal, we're going to load our brush with a Folk Art Mixed Media Soft Gel Acrylic Opaque White and base coat the entire journal. Let your first coat dry and then apply a second coat. For the second step, we're going to use the Folk Art Mixed Media color sprays in pink and yellow and white. And you can see how bright and vivid each one is. If you don't like where you've put something, come back over top of it with some white and you can easily soften the color. Now that our mixed media color spray is completely dry, we're going to apply our tree to the surface of the journal using Mod Podge. The printout of the tree is available at plaidonline.com. Using Mod Podge on a foam brush, apply a generous amount to the surface of your journal, making sure that you completely cover the front of the journal so that you don't have any areas that are left without Mod Podge on them. Then lay your tree on the front of your journal, line it up so that the top is lined up, and then simply use your hand and press the transfer onto the surface of the journal. Make sure that there are no air bubbles and then simply let dry. Now that our Mod Podge has dried on the surface, I'm going to pick up some transparent soft gel acrylic sepia and using a small flat brush just begin to quickly apply it on the tree. You can add as much or as little as you want to depending upon how light or dark you want your tree to be. Using a dauber, we're going to apply some dots of Hooker's green to give the illusion of some leaves, and you can add as many or as few as you want to. If you continually load with paint, they'll be darker. The less paint you have, the lighter they'll be. Also, add some of permanent green light, and you can refer to the finished project to see how many you need on yours. Now, I'm going to use a liner brush and permanent green light, and I'm going to add some grass at the base of the tree. So using light pressure, just quickly paint a few clumps of grass to anchor the tree onto the surface of the journal. And we'll let all of this dry. Using your owl cutout as a template, select coordinating scrapbook papers and cut a piece to go on each surface of the owl and apply using Mod Podge and decoupage techniques. Then let that dry and your owl will look just like this. Now, we're going to add some shading to the owl just by using our flat brush and some sepia. We're just gently going to paint right along the outside edge of the top cutout. And using your foam applicator tool, we're going to add some Indian yellow around the outside edge of the owl cutout. Let's accent the owl by adding some small dots of quinacridone red just along the outside edge and then surrounding the additional layer. To complete the owl, we used some buttons, layered, and then a small knot of embroidery floss, and just apply those with hot glue and allow to dry. To finish the journal, we cut out some simple letters that say wise words, apply those using Mod Podge, then using your dauber add some extra accents of quinacridone red, and be sure to carry some of those accents onto your letters. Then, using hot glue, apply your owl to the surface, and you've got a cute, cute journal.